Malaking inamin netong si Paul Lee sa isang panayam matapos ang ikapitong panalo ng Magnolia this Commissioner's Cup kalaban ng San Miguel. Yan matapos mong i-like ang video na ito, mag-subscribe sa ating channel at pakidamay na rin ang ating opisyal na Facebook page. Pero bago natin simulan, alam mo ba ngayon mas madali nang maglaro at manalo dito sa 1xBet? Especially na pwede ka nang mag-cash in at mag-cash out through GCash. Kaya naman i-click lamang etong link na nasa comment section ng ating video at gamitin ang promo code na BGS2 upang makasali. Isama pa natin na pwede mo na rin i-download etong kanilang official app para sa mas malalaking papremyo na nag-aantay sa'yo. Last Sunday nga mga bularo, alam naman nating naging laman ng usap-usapan etong malaking panalo na nakuha ng koponan ni Bron kalaban ng Indiana Pacers dito sa finals ng first in-season tournament ng NBA. Kung saan dyan, nagawa nga ng Purple and Gold na kontrole ng laban sa pagpasok ng third quarter na nagresulta upang kanilang tapusin ang game na lamang ng 14 puntos sa score na 123 to 109. Isama pa natin na after ng tapatan, pinarangalan din si LBJ bilang finals MVP matapos nang makapagtala sa kanyang 7 in-season matches ng 26.4 points, 8 rebounds per contest at 7 assists per game.
I think we're just holding each other accountable. The best thing right now that we're starting to get healthy. We have a lot of length and we have a lot of defenders. We have a lot of guys that play unselfish basketball and we have a lot of competitors who want to compete every single night. So, you know, it's just big time performance by our whole team to get everybody back. We're still missing one of our top guys and Gabe Vincent, and we can't wait till he get back as well. But everybody has chipped in, and we wouldn't have been able to do it without everybody that stepped on the floor and everybody that didn't even play because they had us going as well on the bench. So it's an all-around team effort.
Samantala sa kabilang banda, sa araw ding ito mga bulero, maraming PBA fans ang siguradong natuwa matapos ng opisyal na iselyo ng Magnolia ang kanilang pwesto sa playoffs after nga nilang padapain sa isang dikit na laban ng San Miguel.
Credit also to Coach George and the San Miguel team because they played well tonight. They played great tonight, and I think we need this kind of game going into the latter part of the tournament, going to the playoffs. We need this grinding game because alam naman natin pagdating ng playoffs ganito lahat yung gawin.
Pero sa kabilangan ng panalong yan, maraming hotshot fans pa rin ang di mapakali matapos ang game. Especially after masaktan netong si Paul sa kalagitnaan ng first half na nagresulta ng kanyang pag-upo sa remaining minutes ng nasabing laban. Kaya naman dahil dito, di naiwasan na matanong siya regarding dyan.
Natapil natapakan ko yung paanong import ng first half. Okay. So, yun yung start ng second half, tinry ko. So, masakit kaya sabi ko, hindi ko na, okay na ako. Hindi ko napipilitin. Kasi tinry ko mag-up and down. Tapos meron nung gagawing move na turnover ko yung bola, hindi ako makapihit ng maayos. So, hindi naman kasi meron naman akong mga tapilok talaga na sobrang sama. At mas masama pa dito. Kaya okay lang, may pain lang ba kasi matanda na rin tayo. So yun yung pinaka-crucial doon kung paano ko siya i-handle.